Hi, friends. Come draw with Miss Val. I thought today we could draw a little fluffy sheep. So we can start with an oval for the head. There's our oval. We'll leave it open at the top. We're going to draw some fluff, which is just a bunch of half circles. The fluffy hair on top of our sheep. Let's give our sheep a couple of ears. Those are just more ovals. 1, 2 ovals. And we'll draw a little swoosh for the inside of the ears. Next, we've got to add eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Let's do 2 eyes. 1, 2. These are just 2 circles or ovals. We'll draw the dark circles in the middle of the eyes next. 1, 2. Draw a little nose. Have it come down and make a mouth. Let's draw a fluffy body for our sheep. So we're going to do a bunch more half circles. For our fluffy sheep, let's give him a fluffy little tail. Right there. Now we're going to draw long lines for legs. 1, 2. For the first leg. 1, 2. For the second leg. Again. For the third. And the fourth leg. Let's draw the hooves. 1 triangle, 2 triangles. And we'll draw a wiggly line at the bottom where the hooves meet the legs. That's our little fluffy sheep. Color him in. I'm going to give him black hooves. 1, 2. 3, 4. All right, we've got his hooves. Maybe trace a few lines. Give him dark legs. Dark eyes. Put some pink in the middle of his ears. Maybe a gray face. We can trace our line on our sheet. All our half circle lines. For our fluffy little sheep. Ears and face. Got some eyelashes. A cute sheep. Maybe some blue eyes. Make a little line around the black part to make color in. And there we go. That's our fluffy little sheep. You can watch these videos on phones or tablets, or you can download the YouTube app on your smart TV to watch there. Come draw with me again next time. I'll see you soon.